Do you want to know the realest and simplest thing about making money on YouTube? You don't need the partner program to get paid. Yes, I said that. I'm talking about real income, predictable income, repeatable, scalable. And today I'm about to show you my #1 monetization hack for beginners like you, the one that most creators either sleep on or mess up completely. It's called affiliate marketing. And before you go clicking away thinking you've already heard this before, oh, no. So stay right there, because I'm not about to give you that tired sign up for Amazon Associates or drop a link in the description advice. I'm giving you what actually works and has worked for me, especially if you have a small channel, being demonetized, run a faceless channel, or you're not monetized yet. I've used affiliate marketing to earn money before I ever made a dime from AdSense, and I still use it today, every single week. So let's rewind for a second. Hear me, just listen up. When I first got really serious about YouTube, I did what most creators do. I focused on getting that magical 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Oh my gosh, that took so much energy out of me, to be honest. You know the drill. Get monetized, get ads, get rich. That's what most new creators think, except I hit those numbers and I wasn't getting rich. I was barely getting much from the AdSense program. Like pennies. Well, not really, but you know what I mean. But literally a low amount per view. And then one day I'm on the phone with my friend Simone, another creator who was working full-time, and she was trying to make YouTube work as a side hustle. And she says to me, she said, girl, I made $200 this week from a video with 800 views. 800 views? I said, wait, what? What's your RPM looking like, girl? She laughed and she said, oh, I'm not even monetized yet, girl. That was affiliate money. And that moment changed everything for me. Because what I learned that day is this: you don't need millions of views. You just need the right offer in front of the right audience. In just a minute, I'm going to tell you the exact formula I used to go from random affiliate links that nobody clicked on to passive income that rolls in days, even weeks after I upload my videos. So don't go anywhere. Please stay right there. But first, for the beginners, let me define affiliate marketing for you, if you don't know it. Here's the plain version and the quick one. Affiliate marketing is when you talk about a product or service or tools that someone clicks your special link that you get, and they buy something from that link and you get paid a percentage. Well, here's the secret. It's not about the product. It's about the placement. And let me explain. Most beginner creators slap a link in the description and pray for somebody to click on it. That's not marketing. That's hiding. What works is when you build the product into the content itself. You recommend something that you genuinely use or know enough about, or believe in. Let's just say you show it. People know it. They see it. You explain white ladders, and then boom, you give them a link to get it. That's it. That's the move. And you don't have to be trying to be salesy. No. Let me tell you about the first time I ever made affiliate money. I had a video up for 2 weeks. Maybe it got just like 56 views. I talked about a tool I was actually using at the time. I wasn't even trying to sell anything. Just explaining what helped, help me stay organized. The next morning, I saw $17.43 in my inbox from an affiliate program, and I lost my mind. You'd have thought I hit the lottery. It wasn't the amount. Mind you, it was the fact that I made money without AdSense, without sponsors, and without even being a big channel or trying to sell anything. That's when I realized affiliate marketing doesn't reward popularity. It rewards strategy. Let's break this down. Well, my way. From my experience, that is, of what's working for me. Pick the right product. Don't chase trends. Don't do that. Pick stuff that makes sense for your audience and your niche. If you do travel content, for example, packing cubes, neck pillows, carry-on luggage, for Faceless Channel, voiceover tools. You see where I'm going? I only promote what I actually use. Why? Because people can smell a fake promo a mile away. Talk about the product like you tell your best friend. Yes, this thing saved me hours. Something like that. Or, this is how I made my videos look so polished. Or, this tiny little hack changed how I got things done efficiently. More efficiently, actually. And then you place the link strategically. Don't just drop it in the description. Say it in the video. Pin it in the comment section of the video. Put it in your about section. Mention it on your community tab. See how many places? If it's relevant, it should be made visible. Use repetition, not pressure. People don't like pressure. Most people need to hear about something a few times before they even click. So don't be afraid to bring it up again in future videos, or in every video for that matter. And talk about it in the middle of your video, but associate it with a tip or a hack, using it as a solution to that problem. And then mention it again at the end as a reminder so they don't forget. Here's a bonus hack. Stack affiliate links with your content strategy. Let me explain. Let's say you're doing a video called How I Record My Faces YouTube Videos. You could plug your mic, your editing software, your voiceover tool, your screen recorder, and your digital product if you have one. And I would suggest that you get one. And here's a pro tip. I highly suggest you create a good product, digital product. And Creative Fabrica makes it easy to do that. It has thousands of image files, ebook bundles, thumbnail prompts, checklists, templates, and more that you can edit and make them your own. The link to Creative Fabrica is in the description. And if you ask me, that's 45 income streams right there from one video, and it's all natural, nothing forced. And if you're nodding along thinking, okay, Cheryl, I need more of this, I got you covered. I put all of my monetization strategies and tips, affiliate, digital product, UGC ads, brand deals, and more into one juicy ebook bundle called 40 plus epic ways to monetize your YouTube channel without a partner program. I'm telling you, this is jam-packed. This isn't surface level fluff. These are the exact steps I've used, the tools I use, and how I keep earning even when YouTube isn't cutting me a check. Trust me. The links is in the description. Download it, print it, screenshot it, just use it. Trust me, you won't be sorry. And before you go Googling YouTube gear, don't even bother doing that. I already did the homework for you. Everything I use to run this channel, it's down in my YouTube shop. Yes, YouTube shop. Camera, mic, ring light, tripod, all of it. And if you don't see what you need, just type it into the shop search bar. You're already here, so why go somewhere else? And it helps to support the channel. All right? And it makes your life easier. Affiliate marketing is not some secret club. You don't need a big audience. You don't need to be monetized. You don't even need perfect videos. You just need to be authentic. And you need a message that connects with your audience and a product that solves a problem. So start now. Pick one thing you love. Talk about it. Share it. Repeat. Rinse and repeat. And please go watch the video at the top of the screen. 8 ways to monetize YouTube without the partner program. Yeah, I sneak that in. It's packed with more unique ways to make money with AdSense. If you got some value from this video, please hit the like, subscribe, and that notification bell so you don't miss that video I mentioned and future videos. Grab my free ebook, 7 Juicy Ways to Monetize Your Channel Outside of Google AdSense. See, I'm giving it to you. I'm feeding you, and this is free. The link is in the description. And remember, if you follow my tips, your first commission could be sitting in tomorrow's inbox. Let's get you paid your way. See you in the next video. Take care.